The issues that we are faced with globally are extremely serious, and we have to come up with solutions very fast, because there's all kinds of things happening. We're noticing climate change everywhere. We're noticing flood and drought regimes. It's a consequence of deforestation. It's a consequence of agriculture being bare soil agriculture, industrialized agriculture, running off water too quickly, running with its soils, creating a very big effect on the climate, because there's more reflected heat, there's less absorption of energy with ecosystems. Ecosystems are the buffer of the massive amounts of energy coming into the world, into the earth from the sun. We know that we need to work with the natural systems to regulate and moderate that. That's what we can do, but we have to change our industrial approach. You can't have an industrial approach to nature. Nature just ridicules you if you take an industrial approach, and that's what's happening.